Hello students, welcome back to my channel Raweducation. স্বাগতম জনাইছো সকলোকে মোৰ অন্য এটা নতুন ভিডিঅলে। ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল আজিৰ ভিডিঅটোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম ক্লাস 10 ৰ এ লেটাৰ টু গড নামৰ চেপ্টাৰটি কেইটামান কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ আৰু এই কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰখিনি তোমাকৰ টেক্সৰ হয় অৰেল কম্প্ৰিহেনশন। সো আমাকে ভিডিঅটো অলপ স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ শেষলৈকে চাই যাবা। সো ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হ'ল what did Lencho hope for? The answer to হ'ল Lencho hoped for a good rain as it was much needed for a good harvest. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকে এই কোৱেশ্চনটো এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰা আনসাৰটো Lencho hoped for rain. এটা আগবাইছো তাৰ নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনটোলে why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? The answer to হ'ল Lencho compared the raindrops with new coins because they were promising him a good harvest resulting in more prosperity. তাৰ next question to হ'ল how did the rain change what happened to Lencho's fields? The answer to হ'ল the rain changed into hailstones as a strong wind began to blow and huge hailstones began to fall. Along with the rain, all the crops in Lencho's field got destroyed because of the weather conditions. It is so 4 number question. What were Lencho's feelings when the hail stopped? Answer to whole Lencho was filled with grief after the hail stopped, as everything was ruined and there was nothing that he could feed his family with. He could see a bleak future for him and his family. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? The answer to whole Lencho had firm faith in God. He believed that God sees everything, even what is deep in one's conscience, and help everyone in one's problems. He wrote a letter to God demanding him 100 pesos to sow his field again. The next question to whole who read the letter? The answer to whole the postmaster read the letter. Ete agbaiso tar next question to le what did the postmaster do after reading a letter? Answer to whole the postmaster laughed when he read Lencho's letter, but soon he became serious and was moved by the writer's faith in God. He did not want to shake Lencho's faith, so he decided to collect money and send it to Lencho on behalf of God. Tagbaisu tar pisor proshno tole was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? The answer to whole Lencho was not surprised to find a letter with money from God, as he believed that God will help him. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল এটা আগবাইছো একেবাৰে অন্তিমটো প্ৰশ্নলে what made Lencho angry? The answer to whole there were only 70 pesos in the envelope, whereas Lencho had demanded 100 pesos. The difference in the amount made him angry. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল ইমানখিনি আছিল আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আলোচনা কৰিবলগীয়া কেইটামান কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰ। যদি কোনোবা ষ্টুডেণ্টে মোৰ চেনেলটো প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে ভিজিট কৰিছা তেতিয়াহ'লে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি নাপাহৰিবা। গতিকে পুনৰ লগ পাম অন্য এটা নতুন ভিডিঅ'ত। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ।